There's a unique joy in turning everyday kitchen scraps into a beneficial tool for your plants. By applying a little effort and imagination, items we typically discard can transform into a rich resource for your garden. This not only cuts costs, but also minimizes waste, which greatly benefits our planet. The secret ingredient we'll use is a common favorite during snack time, loaded with unexpected advantages for your garden. Each time you eat oranges, save the peels instead of throwing them away. Soon you'll gather enough to create a homemade, nutrient-dense fertilizer that doubles as an excellent pest deterrent. You'll need the peels from 10 to 12 oranges. This is an amazing way to repurpose kitchen scraps into a sustainable gardening hack. Once your orange peels are collected, prepare about 10 liters of water. If you can use rainwater, that's even better since it's naturally enriched. Submerge the orange peels fully in the water, using a large container or bucket. Then, loosely cover it to keep it ventilated but free from debris. Now comes the exciting part, letting the mixture sit. Leave it untouched for 3 days. During this time, the water draws out valuable nutrients and oils from the orange peels, turning into a wonderful fertilizer. After waiting, the solution is ready for your plants. The leftover peels can go into your compost bin for further use. You have 2 excellent ways to apply it. The first is incredibly straightforward. Simply take the infused water and pour it directly around the base of your plants. This nutrient-packed water enriches the soil, helping roots absorb vital compounds that encourage stronger growth. Over time, your plants will thrive, showing healthier leaves, firmer stems, and better blossoms or fruits. It's like providing your garden with a vitamin-rich drink. The second method is using the orange-infused water as a foliar spray. Strain the liquid to remove any peel pieces, then transfer it into a spray bottle. Mist your plant's leaves with this mixture. Not only does this provide nutrients quickly via the leaves, but it also acts as an effective natural pest repellent. The citrus compounds deter pests like aphids and whiteflies. By spraying, you nourish your plants while protecting them from harmful bugs. Plus, your garden will smell refreshingly citrusy. Incorporating orange peel water into your gardening routine is a simple, eco-friendly step that transforms waste into a useful product. The results in your garden will be worth the effort. If you enjoyed this tip and want more gardening insights, visit our channel for inspiring ideas. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to keep discovering new ways to enhance your garden.